Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you how to create an application in .NET Core and how to deploy it in a Linux machine. In this case it's an Ubuntu machine, it's 20.04. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first step, I want to create a directory. Make the app on Linux. Yeah, so cd app on Linux. And now I just want to do .NET new MVC, and this no HTTPS. I don't want to use HTTPS because I don't want to register a certificate just for this. Now inside here we have all these files, and I want to change two things. One is I want to change startup here. I want to add a new how do you call this one, middleware. So I just need to use Microsoft override, HTTP override. This allows us to add a middleware. So this middleware is for forward all the headers that the proxy get to our service. Okay, that's it. Let's say we want to have the header with the token. So the token will be received by the proxy. The proxy will be sending this in the headers to our service. So next one, I need to change the program because I already have another service running in the same in the default port. So I want to change the default port. So in this case, use URLs. Now I want to change it to HTTP localhost. Let's put it in 6000. This is optional. Okay, so that's it. Now what else we need to do? We should build it to see if it built right. We didn't make any major change, so it should be fine. Yeah, so now next thing I want to do is to publish. So .NET publish I want to do it in production. Okay, so I want to create a service, right? So I want to run this service just like any other service in Ubuntu. So I want to go to etc systemd system, and in here I already have one, so I will copy that one and change mine app on Linux .service, and then vi app on Linux service. And first thing I need to change is the description. This is optional, but this is app running on Linux tutorial. Okay, so now let's change this. I need to change the directory. Change the directory here, and also this directory, and the name of the file that we're gonna use, the DLL file, is different. So that would be that. And let's change this one. Instead of 20 seconds, let's do 300 seconds, just for I mean, you can do, 10 seconds. That's fine. But I just want to test. If not, then I will have a lot of log messages. And the system log identifier, I just do app on Linux, app on Linux. Doesn't need to be this name, right? Then production, and that's it. Okay. So let's try to run this. Start, and this is app on Linux service. Then system control status. Status. App on Linux service, and it's running. Okay, so now that we have that running, we should. Okay, I will teach you one more thing here. Before I move on, I will give. You can check your logs of this service doing this journal control U, and then the name of the service, app on listen, and there you go. That you can just go down. You will see all your logs. Okay, so let's clear that up. And the next thing we need to do is we need to tell nginx or whatever proxy server that you have to redirect to our service, right? Because if we go right now to the web page, you will see it's not running. Yeah, this is not a page. This is redirecting to a different page by default. It's doing that. So I need to go to cd etc nginx sites enable, and here I have another one, so I will copy that one, and app on Linux RGB DANCO, and then I change app on Linux that, and here I only need to do is I need to change my subdomain to say app on Linux RGB, and then change just the ports, because this is running port 6000, and that's pretty much it. Now all I have to do now is systemctrl restart nginx, and this should work. There you go, it works. So I hope you learned something in this video. So see you in the next one.